Cocke-Kasami-Younger algorithm. So it is a simple that solve the recognition problem. Recognition problem that it determines whether the string can be derived from the grammar or not. You know that in the grammar, it is a combination of some set of symbols and something. Okay, terminal, non-terminal, starting, and some symbols are also there. That we'll see in the PCNF. PIS. So in another word, we can say this algorithm takes sentences and context-free free grammar and returns true if it is a valid parse tree. Okay? Otherwise false. So how we can do it there? So deciding membership using CYK algorithm. So these are the string, very simple that to decide the membership of any given string, what are the memberships are there, we construct a triangular table. Okay, and that in the triangular table, these are the things, basically two things is there. Each row of the table corresponds to one particular length of the substring. Okay, if in a sentence there are some strings are there, okay, then each table, each row of the table corresponds one particular length for that, and it will start from the most bottom row. Okay, then the most bottom row will be your correspond to a string 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, and the topmost row from the bottom corresponds to the length of the given string. Okay.